Hello dear students, so in today's class we will see a few more problems using Chapit's method for finding the solution of a nonlinear PDE. So the first problem is to find the complete integral of q equal to 3p square. So this is your given function f. So let me write f of x, y, z, p, q in the form so equal to 0 form il ezhudha. So you will get 3p square minus q. Now using the Chapit's equation. So Chapit's equation is dx by fp equal to dy by fq equal to dz by pfp plus qfq. Then dp by minus of fx into pfz. Then dq by minus of fy into pfz. So that is going to give you fp is 6p, fq is minus 1, then pfp plus qfq is 6p square minus q and fx ഉം fz ഉം 0 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ term 0 ആവും. Here also fy and fz is going to be 0. So you will get dq by 0. So from here I'll get the solution as, so I'll get dp equal to 0. So dp equal to 0 ambo, so I'll get p equal to a. Now if p is equal to a, so I can write q equal to 3a square. So that gives me p and q. So therefore dz can be written as a dx plus 3a square dy. So on integrating, so you will get z equal to ax plus 3a square y plus b. So this is the solution of your given PDE. And the second question is, so you need to solve for the equation p square plus q square into y equal to qz. So first of all, so let me take f of x, y, z, p, q equal to 0. So I'll write it as p square plus q square into y minus qz equal to 0 varum. Okay. So you will have fx equal to 0. Then fy will be on differentiating, you will get fy equal to p square plus q square. Fz is minus q. Fp is 2 py varum. And fq is 2qy minus z. So dx by fp is equal to dy by fq equal to dz by pfp plus qfq and equal to dp by minus of fx plus pfz equal to dq by minus of fy plus q fz varum. So on substituting, this will be your Chapit's equation. Now I'll take these two equations, dp by pq equal to dq by p square. So p cancel out. Okay. On integrating, you are going to get p square solution in the form p square plus q square. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ആദ്യത്തെ ഇക്വേഷനിൽ അത് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് ക്യൂവിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. സോ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മളിത് choose ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So integrating, you will get p square by 2 plus q square by 2 equal to a. So now for convenience, so random square ആയതുകൊണ്ട്, so I'm taking the arbitrary constant to be a square. So it's not necessary a എന്ന് തന്നെ ഇടാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ a square എന്ന് ഇടാം. Okay. So I'm taking here a square. So q equal to a square y varum. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ p square plus q square equal to a square varum. So q will be a square y by z. So you have obtained q equal to a square y by z square. Now using this equation, q substitute ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ p will be equal to root of a square minus, so this is a raised to 4 q square varum. അപ്പോൾ that is a raised to 4 y square by z square. So a നമുക്ക് പുറത്തെടുക്കാം. a പുറത്തെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ p will be a times root of z square minus a square y square by z square. So now we have obtained p and q. So substitute in the equation dz equal to p dx plus q dy. So on simplifying, you will get the equation in the form z dz equal to a into root of z square minus a square y square dx plus a square y dy. Now dy left side like edukka, divide by this term root of z square minus a square y square. So this will be the integral of the function root of z square minus a square y square. So on integrating, you are going to get root of z square minus a square y square equal to ax plus arbitrary constant b. So this will be the required solution. So the next question is to solve the equation pxy plus pq plus qy minus yz equal to 0. For Charpit's equation എഴുതുക. So the equation will be dx by fp is xy plus q dy by fq. fq എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് p plus y വരും. Then dz by pfp plus qfq. അപ്പോൾ pxy plus pq plus pq plus qy. Then minus of fx. fx is py plus p times fz is minus y. Then the last term you'll get minus of fy plus qfz. So fy is going to be px plus q minus y. So I have written an extra q over here. q illa. So you make that correction. So extra q ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്, അതും ഇല്ല. So here you have minus z plus q plus px plus q into minus y. So ഈ ഇക്വേഷനിലും q ആയിരിക്കും വരിക. 2 times q വരില്ല, q ആയിരിക്കും വരിക. So please do make that correction. So this is your Charpit's equation. So here you have dp equal to 0. So dp equal to 0 എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ on integrating you will get p equal to a. Now on substituting p equal to a in this equation, so we can obtain q. So p equal to a substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you will get axy plus aq plus yq minus yz equal to 0. So that is q into a plus y equal to yz minus axy. So that gives q equal to yz minus axy by a plus y. Now substitute p and q. So you will get dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Z minus ax in the term, dx in the term left side like konduva and take z minus ax to the left side. So you will get in integrable form. So you will get dz minus a dx by z minus ax, then minus I'll write in the form y plus a minus a by a plus y dy equal to 0 varum. So on integrating you will get, so the integral of this is log z minus ax minus ഇത് 1 minus a by a plus y varum. So the integral is going to be minus of integral of 1 is y, then minus a log a plus y. So arbitrary constant I will take as log b. So I am taking exponentials on both sides. So you are going to get z minus ax into a plus y whole raised to a by b equal to e raised to y. So that gives z minus ax into a plus y whole power a is equal to b e raised to y. So this is the solution of the given equation. Thank you.